Hey, what's good, y'all? John the Cologne Don here. Welcome back to my official YouTube channel. We're here. Not only do we want you to look good, but we want you to smell even better. Those of you who have me on Facebook, I believe last week I put out a teaser video. And in my teaser video, I recommended samples. For those of you who are starting to build your own collection, or those of you who already started, samples is always a perfect way to go. Now, today, we're going to have an official sample unboxing of a fragrance that I'm so excited to check out. Now, here we go. Got my trusted knife. Get up. Oh, get up. Ugh. In there. Mind you, I've been waiting for this for weeks. All right. Kobe. Man, I tell you. Ooh. Now, this fragrance is from the house of Initio Parfums, and this fragrance is called Rehab. Wow, this is a, if you can see that, this is a pretty cool, now this is a niche fragrance. So, obviously definitely interesting way to box it. Yeah, look at that. Nice little sample size, and we're just gonna give it a try. Now, when you get in samples, or when you get a full bottle of anything, if you get a spray on the first push, you might want to check that out. It should take a couple of sprays to get it good. There you go. Shot one. This is good. First, I'm getting is very creamy.
That's what she said.
Little sweetness to it. This is a niche fragrance, as I alluded to. So you're gonna get a lot of natural ingredients in this one. So it's definitely natural freshness to this. But it's not a fresh fragrance. This is definitely spicy, winter, fall type of fragrance. And if I'm not mistaken, the backstory on this, that why it's called Rehab, is supposed to put you in this, I guess, element, as if it like this fragrance is a drug. So without it, you're definitely going to need some rehab. So I'm going to say it's off the back, it's probably going to be a seductive fragrance where like you need it, because if you don't have it, you want it. Yeah, this is good. That's my first impression of my sample unboxing of Rehab from the house of Initio Parfums. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you want me to do an official review on this. By all means, please hit me up. Again, Instagram, John the Cologne Don. Till next time, y'all, be loved.